It's
Weak
called a
shit.
GG.
How do I
Weak
see?
shit.
How do I see? Why can't I
Wait,
see
what do
anything?
they have?
Holy shit. 11M24 right there.
They have a lot
I
of
don't-
21s.
Why can't I see anything?
I can't see anything
5M,
either.
5M, 5M, 5M. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, so where are we going again?
Wow. The
We
pool.
are screwed.
Oh.
Oops, I clicked it wrong.
Okay.
We're in 11 and 4.
Which one is it? So,
Okay, so. DK,
So that are going
yes,
to that blue one right there.
on obelisk, yes. And
Mm. What are we gonna do?
oh,
so we.
Artura and Gabriel don't play, so.
I already forgot what the.
I have
picture
see
looks like.
Artura, but just Artura, I don't have read the rules, so he don't know. Je t'entends sur les gars.
It's okay.
Yes, pas de soucis,
Ouais,
t'inquiète pas.
calme. If Caillou call out a
Just
true, I just follow
if I
Caillou.
speak in French, it's for Amnesia. Just because she don't speak in English and don't understand you. Okay. Just follow the moon pings, guys.
Alright, Ching Chang, let's go. 50
Oh.
seconds.
Perox, si t'arrives, pourquoi tu peux pas venir? Ah, tes éclaireurs.
Ouais, j'ai oublié mes
Ah, et en
éclaireurs.
plus, j'espère que t'as pas la frénésie de guerre, sinon faut que t'attendes encore 12 minutes.
Non, ça va.
Aïe aïe
Et
aïe.
du coup, je dois attendre 2 minutes.
Ouais, de toute façon, là.
Ooh, the battle began.
Caillou Army won. J'espère qu'Artura a compris le. Putain. Artura n'a pas lu les règles, Perox.
Ça, c'est grave.
Ah, ça.
Where's Caillou?
Yes, I need that too because
Faut le fouetter.
I need to save my my army.
So we're gonna wait, right?
Just wait.
Oh, we're waiting? I thought it was at the same time.
Okay. I have one army and I need two. Belisarius and that. Okay, it's okay for me.
Wait, Deka, why am I faster than Deka?
Toi, tu vas nulle part, Amnesia. Comme je te l'ai dit tout à l'heure, tu fais rien, t'attends juste que Deka prenne le point
I
et
saw
tu TP avec
Debo with
moi.
that. 23k right there.
Caillou.
Yes, it's me.
They have very little tier 4, a lot of tier 3.
Yeah, let's make them calm.
I see.
I have T1,
Maybe.
but I can't play on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I can't run and rally
I count
and death.
At
and,
least 2.
So I have asked DK and DK say me go speed, so Ings, your
Yes.
blue guys, it's okay?
Yep.
Okay. Just go to 1 and 2. Altar and Sanct.
But there's a
Why
tiger.
I don't
It's close.
why I don't see. Okay.
Freaking nigger.
Why? What the fuck?
What are you doing, nigger?
DK?
Wait, did he got leg out or something like that? Oh.
Need to go fast on Sancten altar, guys. I don't know why all go on this obelisk. I can't TP, I don't know why.
No, you have to wait 3 minutes.
Yes.
I mean 2 minutes. 30 seconds.
Just go take this song, guys.
Yeah.
I don't know why you don't take this.
Move up.
This
Faut qu'on fasse quoi, nous? J'ai pas compris.
one.
Wait, no one go for the top one. No one go
Normalement,
for
en
the
fait,
Shing of Light.
toi, tu devais prendre le sanctuaire et l'hôtel comme expliqué dans le plan.
Ah, ok.
Mais sauf que personne n'y est allé. I don't know
Parce
why.
qu'on peut pas, c'est bloqué.
Non, normalement tu peux. Regarde, tu peux
Bah
la
là,
passer.
il a le bouclier, là.
Ah ouais.
Il a le bouclier
Ah
en
oui,
fait
pendant
pendant encore une
50
minute.
secondes. Ok. Bah prépare-toi
Mhm.
au moins à y aller quoi, du coup.
Mm.
Parce que je vois au sanctuaire, il y a
Ouais,
personne autour, donc c'est pas normal. DK, go on your city and wait for TP on obelisk, guys.
You can stay in obelisk to TP.
Oh,
Dekka.
yes. Oh, yes, it's true. Yes, sorry. Bad
Yeah,
call.
you can stay inside, then you TP.
Yes, true.
Take.
Sorry, bad call. Lizzie,
Yes.
go on Sanct, please, and wait just 5 seconds. And FD.
Oh, in the front? At the sky altar?
Yes, or altar if you want. Okay. DK. Okay. 2 times.
Yo, Jinx, take the Sky Altar. You're
Yes,
next to
Yings,
it.
please. Yings.
Jinx,
Yeah.
turn around.
Yings.
Yang.
Yings. No altar. Bro, please.
Ching Chang.
Okay.
Hey, just say Chao Li Ma.
Yings.
Ying. Sabi.
Okay. Yings troll or bugs. Okay, thanks Lizzie. 15 secondes pour taper. 5.
Are we allowed to TP yet?
10 secondes. 5,
Oh, Ying.
Hello, hello.
2, 1. Let's go, guys. You can
Faster, they are not there,
you can TP, guys.
Where? Where
Right
I
side.
just
1,
ping
2, 3, 4, 5. TP. Amenez, tu peux TP sur le obélisque comme je t'ai expliqué.
Hold on. I'm gonna TP.
That's 4.
Ok. Put one. Guys, just put one
What the hell
army
are you-
on this obelisk. Amnesia, si tu peux, tu mets tes T3 et tes T2 comme je t'avais expliqué. Ok, I go dev with my Julius.
I'm going for Ying one.
AG, pareil,
dans le
si
temps.
tu peux, tu me mets une troupe dans l'obélisque. Il faut toujours une troupe dans l'obélisque avec moi. I want all with one army on
Shrine
altar
of Light.
and on
Let's
song,
get there.
please.
Boys,
And one
boys.
army
Shrine.
for kill. Okay. So I see you don't take this. Okay. Do you want? I don't know if I. Noodle.
Are you?
Do you
I'm
think?
going to the Yin one, the one that they're wiring.
Yes. Do you think I go rally this Sanct on top?
What do you mean?
This. Look. Blue one. This. Do you think I rally this?
Run this. Do you think I can go there or what?
No, just rally on him.
Riley?
Yes.
Shit, I need to
No,
hold
no.
back my troop.
I go, Ali. I just need one guy join my...
Oh, join your
and,
rally.
yes, and just all
Okay,
go
okay.
around descent. And just one guy join my rally, please.
Yeah, I
T2
can, I
and
can.
T3 on this, so it's free. Really, it's free. Ok,
Yeah,
Amnesia,
just ride it.
Amnesia,
I'll
tu
join.
te prépares à aller autour du sanctuaire où j'ai ping, s'il te plaît. Tu tapes toutes les troupes qui vont rentrer dedans, je vais le rally.
I will kill the guys on top.
Ok, it's okay, it's
Can
okay.
someone join?
Hop, I go rally this. I just want one people on my rally
The fuck?
and all around the sanct, please.
Ok.
So, look, up. One people on my rally and all around this.
I'll join with my
One people on... Okay. Look, this... I think it's full now, so... need to go fast. Can you slave it? Titanic, no? Guys?
Yep.
Really. Just look the ping, please, and see the rules. I just
Okay.
need white people on my rally and all around the
I
sanct.
did.
Yeah, yeah.
If you don't go on around the sanct, all can reinforce the sanct, so...
Oh fuck,
Yes.
fuck. Sorry.
Ok, si de alta...
Rally starts.
Ok.
They are running from Bert.
If you can...
This is the Sky Altar.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Where you guys at?
side.
Guys,
Easy.
it's okay. Just reinforce
Guy
the
answered.
this rally and...
Yo, Ark of Sirius Temple.
Eh.
Watch out.
It's sure you can't lose the troops. It's okay, just all go on hospital, you don't get dead or other.
Temple of Osiris. Someone's approaching 2 armies.
Yeah, we see.
Some little bitches.
We're going.
4 and 11 mil power. So
Okay,
good luck.
400k, it's okay on this.
He's attacking
Okay,
the 11 mil power guy.
it's okay for the death, it's okay. Good job all.
Why you scout my troop? God damn it. I didn't even use buff. Oh, I should use buff.
Tu m'avais dit de def avec les T4. Oui, en gros, tu défends avec les T4, mais si t'avais pas de quoi de faire 2 armées, tu défends avec tes T3 et vaut mieux mettre tes T4 en attaque. On va faire plutôt ça amener. Ok. Parce que sur le champ de bataille en attaque, c'est pas ouf les T2. Voilà. On va faire comme ça. On va changer.
Come on, who took my farm?
Et c'est pas grave,
come on.
Amnesia, t'inquiète, c'est pas grave. C'est pas de ta faute. Ok.
Man, I really like the way that you can just like go everywhere, just point out by you moving your finger.
Guys, just... Oh, yes, it's okay. The Sanct
Meet
have...
in
The
middle.
Sanct have... Okay,
Dude, this one in real one?
kill, please.
Catch me.
Okay.
Them all.
All around the
Hey,
Sanct, please.
go in the backside. Go in the backside. Go right here, in the back. So like if they retreat, we can attack it.
Just, if you take this, you hold on death and wait for the moment. I don't think it's...
Protect Charlie. He got the Ark.
Where?
Ark.
Middle.
Middle, yes, but because the strongman is on the middle, so it's hard for him to win.
We need someone extremely strong there.
They're gonna take it.
Okay, no, normally it's win. Just you stay on the Sanct. I just want 1 troops on this. So like oh.
Okay. Yes, we got this.
No, reinforce the rally. No, don't need it, I think. It's 3 win. After this, just Perox, Amne, and Lizzie, you cannon. All member on my rally leave. You go on your city for refill your troops and coming again. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, my
Okay,
left
okay.
side.
Ok, nice. All I've understand.
Pas tout compris.
En gros, je t'ai dit,
God
tous ceux-
damn,
tous
there's
ceux
3
qui
people
étaient dans
trying to
le,
fight
dans le
me.
ralliement, si vous voyez que vous avez plus beaucoup de troupes, retournez chez vous parce qu'en gros,
Hey,
ce qui se
someone
passe,
help
c'est
me,
que
someone help me.
Plus
si
strong.
tu retournes pas chez toi, c'est comme l'armée normale, tu récupères pas tous tes morts et tout.
Yo.
Ouais, je sais.
Ok, donc c'est juste pour ça. Hop.
Pink Diva.
Ouais, ouais, I can't come on my. Ok. So,
Help me!
It's my first time on this, so. What? Pero, tu sais comment on fait pour faire de l'aide?
Where's that guy doing?
Je suis pas sûr qu'il y en ait. Je sais pas du tout.
Ah,
Non, tu peux pas le faire, tu peux pas le
on
faire.
peut pas aider? Mais attends, mais ça sert à quoi alors du coup de lancer des heals?
Ah, rien.
Arcs.
Ok, donc en fait c'est que
Middle.
du boost. Ok, bah je vais utiliser mes gemmes. Allez, bonjour! This game killing me, bro. Okay, so no, I go leave this Sanct. I go refill my troops and I go rally again on not Obelisk, but go on altar, guys. On this.
Ching chang.
Fuck. I go ping. Wait. Same rules. Blue one. Same rules. Go around. I just need 1 people on my rally and go around here, please.
Yo, Wally?
Ouais, yes, my rally.
Wally?
Yes.
Oh, poor Caillou.
Fuck you.
Yeah, well,
Leave me alone, please.
Oh, I can see. Ooh, look at Caillou slave there.
Yes,
1 on 2.
I see. Titanic. Don't think like your bot, please. Go play and
He's
won.
Ching
And kill the farmer.
I'm not.
Kill the
man.
farmer after, please.
I'm not pussy.
You
Fuck
are
this
pussy.
shit.
Oh,
Ugh.
fuck. This damage. What the fuck? Oh. Good job.
Man, fuck them all up.
Good job, boy. No, really, just good job.
Oh, look at that, look at the top side.
Where? Where on top? Okay.
Pelagus.
Yes, Davids. Okay.
Them all up. Farmer going down.
Guys, just you
Just
you
like
take
in the-
this altar and after you just def. You stop to
Coming.
kill and other. Okay.
Fuck.
Just stay on Sanct. I want. Need more def on Sanct, please, guys. Really. Need 1 or 2 peoples. J'ai besoin d'une personne ou 2, Amnesia, si tu peux, en défense
Oh là
du
là,
sanctuaire,
I'm
de la vie, si possible.
Nous, on bouge pas dans les 2 autres. Hein.
Non, on bouge pas. Une défense, si tu peux jouer avec 3 troupes, tu vires celle de merde que t'as et tu mets de la merdique au début dans le obélisque s'il faut ou quoi. Mais le mieux c'est de vraiment défendre. Là, on va prendre le prochain point et après on va défendre comme des gros porcs. On s'en bat les couilles de la vie quoi.
Run, you
là, on
guys
est en
run.
train de
I will
gagner et du coup, faut essayer de garder cette avance, ok?
Ok.
Oh,
Ok.
I'm going to heal.
Ok, Perox, tu retournes à la maison, tu vas refill automatiquement.
Ouais.
Tu vas devoir utiliser
Run.
tes boosts, hein,
Allez.
on peut pas aider apparemment.
Ça marche.
Ok. No, it's okay.
Fuck yeah.
No, it's
Fuck
okay.
yeah.
Just def de descent on top, ok, it's okay, def.
Yeah.
It's okay, def here too. Okay. Oh! Need more troops on,
Oh yeah.
on altar.
Hold on, I'll tank it.
Here, please. More troops.
Run, Jing.
Here.
Run, Jing.
Yeah, it's okay.
DK.
Back.
Look. Just one troop on this. Please.
No, it's better if I just suicide myself. I can run faster.
Okay.
Better. You run.
Oh, if you suicide, you're giving them points.
Bert is fighting 6 troops
Guys,
and
really,
winning.
I need more troops on altar, please, and Sanct.
It's only one hit.
Yeah, wait. Man,
Okay.
fuck.
What?
Ok, je vais mettre une
Bert is
troisième
literally
armée devant.
soloing the entire left side, and he's winning. He's
Nice.
winning.
Who?
I'm trying to find it. Oh, I can see it.
Who?
That's crazy.
Where?
On the left by the obelisk. Top left obelisk.
You mean Bert?
Yes.
It's
Of
Bird,
course.
dude. We're talking
Man,
about.
the fucking monster.
Guys, just go refill and after all around on this.
My
All
two
around
back
on
up.
this. Don't go alone like Titanic, please. And just go around this.
Where the hell is my house?
Hello.
Oh, right here. Found it.
I'm like a 1,000 guy army.
We need to take
man.
this fast, guys. Really.
Which one? Let's
Look my
see.
ping. Nothing on this, huh?
Ping, ping,
Yings, you
all
can
around
take, huh?
on this.
Nothing on this.
Oh, I got it.
Really,
All
nothing on
around.
this. I go rally. Guys, I
Ching
rally
chong,
this
coming.
altar. Just when people join my rally and all go on this, please. Really.
Yeah, I will. I'm going.
Okay,
I
thanks.
use my palace,
Thanks a lot.
so.
Oh,
defend
Yings,
me.
you go lost, huh, I
Yeah.
think. You lost.
Yeah, I'll run faster. I just use my Pelagus for
Not cool.
and me.
Okay, guys. Guys, rally on
Yep.
this. Rally on this. Up. Def. Blue team. Blue team. Def. Look. I need people
Come.
on this,
Yeah.
please.
Teleport. Wait.
Mhm.
I can't find.
yes.
Oh my god! I forgot I changed my name. That's why.
I know I couldn't
was
find myself either.
Okay.
I was like, where the hell? Is my name?
I need one people on my rally, please.
Okay, coming.
Weekend, which one?
My rally. Caillou. Okay. It's over. I go rally again. Okay.
Oh
Guys,
my
guys.
God.
Ah, j'ai
Blue.
pas assez trop.
Blue. Même si tu m'en mets une dans le rallye, faut juste qu'il parte. Je m'en fous
Ok.
combien de temps, mais il m'en faut juste une pour qu'il parte. Blue team.
Ok.
All around this, please. It's okay? Okay. I go rally
Boy,
this.
can they know?
I go rally this. I need just one troop on my rally and all go around, please. Don't go alone, just around.
Okay.
Ne pas attaquer seul, juste aller autour, les gars. Interceptez
Titanic.
Sia, intercept Sia,
Ouais.
please. Guys. Julius,
Yeah,
come
I'm
rien
coming.
fort. No, on your left. DK and son, please. Noodle.
Huh?
Noodle.
Yeah, I'm with Decker on the top.
Oh, intercept Sia, please.
Hmm?
Intercept.
Look, de renfort, please. Intercept. Thanks.
Intercept what?
Sia, look. Look, this altar.
Devo, explain.
On my pings.
Devo.
Yeah.
Blue troops around these. Oh, okay. Coming.
Ok. Bon, alors du coup, j'ai qui? J'ai Quentin qui a rejoint Yings. Ying?
I was right there. What are you talking about?
Ying!
Yeah, I'm joining you. On the way.
Yes, but... Ok.
Yeah, because I went to refill.
I need DK or Kayuson. All time you save one troop on your city for going on my rally, please. All time.
Okay.
I don't want wait. Need to go fast, guys. Really. Need point. Okay, it's okay for this altar. Just go around and don't go alone, please. Don't kill alone. Don't lose your troop for nothing. Good job. You're the best.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, red team lost again. So you need to take more. Okay. Guys, you have see this song on... Okay. This blue one death here. Oh. Okay, I didn't see the rally. I need one people to see all rally on enemy team, please. Because this song is lost. I need...
Oh fuck.
Yes.
Okay.
I need one people to see with me that. Ok,
Wait,
guys.
I need to...
Pourquoi Torah il leave, je comprends pas. Ok,
What?
go rally again.
Oh shit.
Yes. Oh, fuck.
Rallying.
What the fuck, guys?
One of life. Rallying coming.
Ok, it's okay.
Fuck.
Yes. Oh, fuck that shit. Ok, just go... I go rally this and... Go put your trooper on, please. Oh, fuck.
Why I have like... Oh.
On n'a pas défendu, quoi. Merde. It's okay, it's...
Can we put more though? Oh shit, I can't.
It's okay.
Never mind.
It's okay.
Why am I tanking?
It's not
Damn it.
your... Okay. Okay. I go take Altar. Just, I need Noodle, join my rally now. And,
Okay,
and
I'm
I
gonna
go
heal and join yours.
just one troops. Just one. And take this Altar. Okay, guys? And I want one people see with me all rally.
Ok, mais je te suis.
J'ai besoin d'une personne chez les FR, si vous voulez. D'une personne qui regarde tout le temps en bas à gauche et qui me dit les rallyes qu'il y a et sur quel truc qu'il y a. Si c'est un sur les nôtres, s'il vous plaît. Il faut absolument qu'on...
Non. Fuck!
Qu'on regarde qui fait quoi, s'il vous plaît. Guys, intercept all member on your right. Yes. DK, Kayuson, AGL, TC. Interceptez les gars, s'il vous plaît. Intercept, please. Noodle, two, please.
Yeah, I will.
Usual.
One, two.
He
I got them.
crashed.
Give
Thanks,
me like
bro.
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
And join my... And yes,
Join your Riley with one
no, just
troop, I know,
minion
I heard.
for a round. I need to go fast, go. Quentin, je vais te virer du rallye, j'ai besoin qu'il parte tout de suite.
Vas-y. Ok.
Noodle,
Mm-hmm.
please follow DK and AGLTC. Please.
Follow T.
Yes, on my ping.
Where's DK?
Blue ping.
Okay. Blue thing. I was right there next to it. What are you talking about?
Oui, dis-moi.
Back.
Okay.
Je suis morte dans la dev du sanctuaire, là, je vais où?
Come back.
Tu vas défendre un autre point, tu lances tes troupes à heal, donc forcément t'es obligé de les boost, d'accord? Et tu...
Non mais ça y est, c'est...
Ok, bah là tu vas défendre quelqu'un, ou alors tu vas là où j'ai mis. Kayuson, bien you bro, bien you. Behind. Noodle. Please.
Ils sont en train d'espionner l'hôtel où on est, l'hôtel du ciel. Hein.
Ok, guys, just go def this altar, please. Take.
Je vais...
Défends l'altar du ciel en bas à droite. Blue, def, here. Ok.
I'm going.
Look, on this. Look my ping. Regarde mon ping. Need people on this, please. Ok, follow my rally. Follow my rally. Kayuson, Noodle, please intercept two team, bro. On
Hey,
altar,
Noodle!
please.
Yes.
All time see this altar, please.
Intercept below. Just below you.
Please.
Below?
Bro. Wake up,
Away!
please.
I'm attacking. Bro.
Just wake up. Kill Diva. Diva? What the fuck, Noodle? Ok.
I am attacking.
No, Diva, look
the
Diva! Look Diva, please! Okay, it's okay.
I'm so confused, dude. Someone explain what Kyle said.
Titanic, please follow. Follow.
Wait, what?
Titanic. Yes.
You
Wow.
want me to attack those guys, right?
Okay, go intercept, please. Go intercept. Ok.
Yo,
Au niveau des
Charlie.
rallyes, regardons au niveau des rallyes, on en est où? Ok, on rallie tous. Ok, ils sont en train de
I
rallier
know,
chez
I
nous
just
ou pas?
attacked them.
Ok. Oui, Bertu won. Ok, Bertu have... Ok.
Fuck, I wanna fight there, man.
Guys, reinforme ma rally, please.
I'm so confused.
Ok. Reinforme ma rally, please. Ings.
Yeah.
Fast. It's
Oh, why am I getting
Okay.
2 attack?
Continue. Can you throw an NDK? Please, don't run. I need to take this altar, please. Continue. Okay, thanks, Ings. Okay, this altar is won. Guys, just no go. Go def all.
Hey, can someone help me on the top side
Put
though?
one troops.
Yeah.
Put one troops on all monuments, please. Mettez tous une troupe dans tous les monuments si possible. Franchement.
Même l'obélisque?
Non, toi non, pas obélisque, mais hôtel du ciel à droite, sanctuaire de la guerre à gauche et celui qu'on vient de prendre là où j'ai le ping, l'hôtel du ciel en haut à gauche.
Ok.
DK.
Attack.
Yeah, no.
What?
No, I will.
Take this card.
I just need you to tank it so I can do it. Because if they target on me, then I will die.
Ok. Alors, blue team.
Why you have to target me? Damn it.
Okay, it's okay for all. Just death. And good job, go refill Ings, Caillou Slave, Ings. Good job, really. Thanks.
They took the.
Okay, Bertio, the score! What the fuck?
30 minutes, guys. Oh, I'm going back. I'm going back here.
No, go refill, go refill fast. Go refill.
Refill.
Yes, please.
What?
Go on your city and heal your troops. Fast.
Yeah, I'm going to heal.
Refill. Please.
That's what I'm saying.
Fast.
Fuck you. 12 hours, god damn it. I have
Speed up,
20
speed up.
hours before.
Yes. Look. Fucking.
speed up,
What
speed
the
up.
fuck?
It's okay, I have it.
Okay. Okay.
500 hours, let's go.
Yo, can anyone stop this guy with the arc?
Alright, done. Heal, done.
Okay. See the rally. Where is the rally?
Sur l'hôtel du désert, chez
Okay,
nous.
guys, go def. Blue one.
How
def,
dare
the
you?
there.
can you?
Look my ping. Fast.
I'm inside.
Okay.
Look
I
at-
come with
look at burst
second
guard.
troops and okay, it's okay.
The bathroom power, man.
Just
Look at-
def,
look at
hein. Don't need to kill, hein. Just def, hein. Just join. Okay. If you have a second troops, come and kill with me around.
Coming.
Ok.
Ils arrivent à beaucoup hein, sur le hôtel du
C'est
désert.
pas problème, faut le défendre, on est beaucoup dedans. Si t'as une deuxième troupe en plus de ce que t'as mis dedans, tu viens et tu vas défendre. Guys, just...
Bah j'en ai une mais dans les hôtels.
Ouais bah non mais laisse dans les hôtels. If you have a second troop
Ok.
for this altar, guys, please come and kill with me around.
My second troop going back.
Why is so deck I have 0 troop? What the hell?
Okay, I
I'm
need to
confused.
def, I need to heal again.
Hey guys, they are taking the flag back.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
Oh.
Hôtel du désert, ils attaquent hein.
Yes, I see. It's okay, guys, it's free win!
Oh my.
The arc will go.
Julius! Oh fuck! Good job, all. Ok, bien joué, amené. Là, on va garder ça. Maintenant, on défend juste just def now and don't need to rally again or. I think you just need save this monument and don't need more. Ok, DK continue. Ok, good job, bro. It's free win.
Can I TP?
Wait. Who?
Me.
Me.
Ying.
Where you want, bro?
Like TP nearer. Because I need to refill.
Okay.
I need to keep going back.
Bro, if you want TP, go TP on not this on this altar.
I TP on what?
Wait. It's here plutôt. Here. Look my ping.
And Morgan on the arc. She got the arc.
You can TP here, Ying, if you want.
Okay.
For refill fast. Amnesia, Lizzie, you can TP on my ping too. Amnesia, tu peux TP aussi où il y a mon ping. Faudra juste que tu ramènes tes troupes chez toi, sauf celles qui sont dans un bâtiment. Toutes celles qui sont à l'extérieur et autres, tu peux les ramener chez toi et puis voilà.
Juste... Guys.
Yes.
They are taking
I'm sorry, where do you want me to TP?
Look my ping.
They are taking the arc already.
Yeah.
Donc, the arc.
Ils veulent attaquer l'hôtel du désert.
L'hôtel du désert.
Now
Ok. You want
now attack it.
DK? Ok, DK, you are with me? Ok. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! I come. I'm here. It's free. Go. It's free. Ready, hein? Chichu and Chifu is free. Yes.
Ching chong, man.
Yes, ching chong.
What does the Charlie ICI mean?
Here.
Oh, why am I have blah 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 blah?
It means
No, what the fuck?
Wait, what was that thing that they taking?
The
they
arc
have the arc.
gives like 3k points or something.
Yes. For the moment it's with me, but need to death again.
Ah,
Guys, see the rally on this altar, guys. Look. Blue one, death here. Save your troops if possible, guys. Ready?
Ew, if I kill that troop and take it and run away, right?
Yes, you gotta run away to our outpost.
Let me try. I'll
Too
try.
late, he can fake.
Okay, I come again. It's free, guys. Kill Scipion first. Scipio. After. Okay, kill Scipio. Okay. And after go refill, please. Ok, Amnesia, je me TP où? L'altar qui est chez nous, attends, je vais te dire ça. Back. Ok, tu vois l'altar du ciel en haut à droite, Amnesia? Est-ce que tu le vois?
They got it already.
Qui est au-dessus du monument,
Yeah,
en haut à droite. Oh, Yings, ok, you have TP here, ok.
Noodle,
Guys,
the big guy is coming.
Yings,
Boy.
Are we fighting or what?
Ying, why you don't TP on this altar? I have
Cannot.
ping.
Only can
No.
TP in.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
Hugo, run.
Ok, sorry.
Okay.
Ok. My bad.
He's too strong.
C'est bon, amené. T'inquiète.
Anatoly and Wolf.
Ok. If you need to refill, go on your city and come again. Just don't leave. Pour le moment, tu défends juste.
Ils attaquent l'hôtel du désert. Hein.
Yes. Non, mais on est bon dedans. On est 550k dedans. C'est bon. Go def, please. Look my ping, go def. Normally it's free win, but let's see. Là, pour le moment, faut juste défendre. Amener. On fait plus rien. Fuck.
Ching chong.
Ching chong. Like noodle fam. Mais why? Ok. I stop using my gem. I go use my boost.
God damn it.
No,
This
boy,
fool.
it's okay.
How am I gonna run?
No.
How am I gonna run?
It's okay.
He's making a fool, dude.
No, it's okay.
Ah, damn it, I
Really
can't go
Okay,
in.
Rally is
guys,
coming.
good job again. Okay.
I can't go in.
The rally is free win normally, I think. Just
Rally
guys,
is coming.
please. Go on my ping, please. All.
Yeah, I did. I was in our troop there.
Fast. Please. Don't troll. Okay, cancel. Guys. Go all around, please.
On the way.
Yes, all around this, please.
They
Yeah.
sold.
Tous ceux qui sont pas dedans et qui ont une troupe, go toi. Hop. It's free win, no? One by one you can win. I think,
Yes.
I think he can, he go Ali again and attaque solo Dissectar.
Or
Je pense qu'ils vont attaquer encore une fois. Clac, clac, clac. Ils sont vraiment nuls en face. Hein. Really, really bad. Hein. What the fuck? Why he cancel rally and attacks alone? Look, look, look. Bert won.
Oh shit.
What the fuck? All attack alone. What the fuck?
okay, when they stop attacking, just attack them when the big guy is off.
Yes, just go def. All around and intercept all troops, please. Please.
Yes, when they stop
Okay.
attacking, then attack all troops.
Yes, yes. For the moment, it's win, guys. So don't need to take objective again. Just def. Don't need more. Okay, thanks Yings again. Thanks Noodle.
Wait, leaving?
Attacking.
What the fuck. Ok, Amnesia. Pour le moment, mes gars, les allers-retours pour rien, ça abuse. Quoi?
I'm coming,
Magad?
bird.
Je connais pas Magad. Ou Oh my god, tu voulais dire. Ah oui, ok, peut-être. 30v30, 25v30.
Look at Bird right there, man. Like, yo. Like, they just give up on attacking Bird right there.
Où Ali? What? DK?
Oh
Where
fuck.
are you, Ali? Okay.
Hey, Caillou.
Okay, it's okay. Yes, go on. It's okay.
Of course.
Okay. Take. I go ping. Okay. Blue one, go around this and reinforce rally / intercept. Oh! Please, all guys on this, please.
Dagger? Okay.
Yeah, just
Let me
you
I
put
can
your
also
troops
see
on death all time. I just want your troop on death all time, please. Je veux les troupes de tout le monde en défense. Et là, il faut aller en gros. Tu vois là où j'ai ping bleu amené? On va là et on va rejoindre le ralliement. Ok?
Is this Emperor guy strong or not?
I do not know.
Dagger, I give you two T1, T2. My bad.
Just want. Wait. Okay.
Check.
On
check.
descent.
This
It's okay. T2, T1 and T3. It's okay. You won. Really, you won. It's free.
No, because my other troop is at the blue side, the other one at the red side.
Perox, par contre, je sais pas dire 171 000 en anglais, alors si tu sais, je veux bien que tu le dises.
No, that's why are you at the red side?
Oh, me and Steve is right there. We were trying to Morgan like Caillou said
Ouais,
before,
non, mais
and then we were
te démute
close.
pas, Perox, parce qu'à chaque fois, s'il faut que tu quittes le jeu, c'est la merde.
They are all attacking the Shrine of War.
Guys. Si. Ok,
Look at the red
171K
team right
on
there.
Sanct. It's free. Ok?
What the
See the
fuck?
chat, guys. See the chat, please. Look, just.
Check this out, guys.
Okay.
They are all attacking the Shrine of War, man.
Ok.
Dude, look at that. Look at this.
Oh my god. Bird is a beast. Check this healings out.
What the fuck, this dumb player.
dude.
Ok, DK, thanks. Go, continue.
What is Morgan doing? Morgan.
I don't have a good troops with my Belisarius because I play Minamoto with my Caesar.
Check this out.
Look at all of that troop running back.
What the fuck?
Yo, guys, they're rallying.
Then we started with
They are rallying.
For the Wonder Bird.
whatever they want
Yeah.
with that.
Ok, on continue de défendre, continue to def, guys, all. Just join the rally, please, and...
Guys, focus.
Yeah, I did. I
side.
did join every rally.
Focus,
I
please.
did.
Ready.
Yeah, Ramaj, attack it.
Guys,
Wait.
please. I don't know
Yep,
why.
I did join.
Why all leave this song, this altar, guys? Why all leave this?
What?
Because we're winning with Shrine of War. They're like giving us 8 points.
Look at Bird point, dude. Like 32. 32.
Yes, it's true.
730.
Just
Fuck
focus,
this guy
guys.
up.
It's ruined, but just focus, please. All. Really.
Oh, the Riley, join Riley. Reinforce that one.
Just
They're a
focus.
big Riley.
I think at
Reinforce.
I think
Reinforce,
at
reinforce,
5
reinforce.
minutes, guys, you can kill just for kill and take point for score, okay? And for solo rewards, okay for all?
Shrine of War. Reinforce
Okay.
it there.
Ok. Amenez Perox, Quentin, ceux qui n'ont pas compris en gros, quand il restera 4-5 minutes, ce qu'on fera c'est qu'on mettra juste une troupe pour défendre et on attaquera tout le monde juste pour attaquer, juste pour gagner des points, pour avoir les rewards en solo parce qu'elles sont très intéressantes et donc à partir de 10 000 points, vous pouvez avoir un truc qui vous donne 20 000 troupes d'un coup, vous voyez, à faire, et des sculptures en or, donc c'est pas négligeable.
We need reinforce though, guys. Help.
Oh my god, check Bird out. The whole rally, man. What the fuck? The rally is doing nothing, man.
Oh,
What the
never
fuck, you have rally with Sarka? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, you troll! Aïe aïe aïe.
What the fuck is wrong with Bird? Check the healing.
I
8k.
don't see the bar going like a little bit, like 10% down.
Yo, we got 300k troops in there and they rally with 600k.
Fuck this fucking dude.
They rally with full T4.
Okay, just def, no. Just def, please.
What death, man? They're doing nothing.
12 more mini, guys.
That's Richard.
Protect Morgan.
Clac clac clac.
That fucking Richard, man.
Who is Retail? Mais
Oh my god. That...
fuck.
Dude, look at the report, man.
Why?
Oh,
Oh, l'attaque solo, Bertio. Bertio can win alone. I don't know why.
Hey, can you rally
Yes.
their city?
What?
He's still in the
You
bedroom.
want
like...
Ideally City? Who?
Yes.
Tell me, who? Ping me on the channel, please. Okay, this. Okay, I go rally this. You
This 100%.
you want my Constance and my T1 or not?
19 rally, sure die.
Okay, I go rally. Okay, I rally with my. I rally with who?
No.
dude, you guys are bully right there.
I rally with you. Okay, with CPO it's okay. Oh, Mehmed,
Yeah.
it's okay. Mehmed.
Guys,
Okay.
guys,
Hmm?
Yeah.
look at my unit.
Where?
Guys, go
Put it in
kill.
chat.
Yings, Perox, DK, go kill où il y a la balise. Go kill on the balise, guys, on the ping. Amnesia, pareil
Ok.
si tu veux, ou tu
Coming,
défends comme
coming.
tu veux. Faut défendre un peu.
Then
Ouais,
we
t'as
can-
raison, défends, Amné. T'as raison.
Fuck that healing, man.
Yes!
Got it.
You lost more boost. Okay, Kayuson, you have joined. Okay.
Coming.
Focus on one guy. Focus on Jackie, baby.
Yes. Focus Jackie Bibi.
Yeah, he's dying.
CPO
Good.
is the cancer on this team. Ok, amené, c'est bien. Ok. Go refill. Ok. Good job all, hein. It's win.
Ching chong.
Just one troops on all and go take pressure and points for your score solo.
Yep.
Okay? Good job. You're the best.
Genova. So
Still not
tanky.
because I need 10k points.
20 hours healing.
Yeah, and I feel like I got 22.
Nice, done.
Time, bro.
Where is
Damn,
my ping?
I'm glad I
Okay,
didn't
it's
speed
that.
on my damn wall.
Okay.
Upgrade.
I think I go cancel this rally, no?
No.
No, okay.
We rally the city. Then after that,
Yes,
but
but
already, right?
we are two, bro. We are two on rally, so it's lost. Look.
no, I will join.
Yes, but the sancti is done, guys. Go left. Really go left.
Hey, hold on.
Let's focus. Blue team 1.
Wait.
Def.
Wait.
Don't bully, guys.
Yeah, never.
Just go def. Really play.
Oh my god, they are going there.
Yes. It's lost. This sancti slots, I think. But it's not a big problem, but it's okay.
Hey, only bird in that city now. I
Never
wanna see,
bully,
like,
bro.
Kenny
Never
just
bully.
still solo it.
Never. Never bully. Okay.
Ah, game crash.
Okay, Sarka on death, the best
Game
commanders
crash.
ever. Okay, I put Amnesia
No, they better
captain.
not move my
No, it's okay.
freaking point.
What the fuck? Why I can't change? Oh, pourquoi Ah, Amnesia, t'as leave, c'est pour ça. Oh, oh non, faut pas quitter. Non. Oh. Oh, je veux décéder. Okay, guys.
They finally killed me.
Cancel your rally, please, and rally descent, please, again. Don't bully, please, really.
with them.
Really.
Yeah. Cancel ready. Ready again.
Tiens. 7 ans, t'es pleine. Ok. Just wait. Just wait 22 seconds and I rally with my Julius.
Oh, why am
Oh,
I
what
dying?
the fuck? The game crashed again. I don't know why. Oh, fuck. Stop
Oh,
my...
can you?
I didn't see
What?
that, bro.
What?
Okay, run. Okay.
I'm a
Okay,
Ocean
I just
wolf.
need 1 people on my rally. Just 1. And go all around, please.
Okay,
Oh.
okay.
Ok. Go autour du ping, please. Blue, 1, all around. And kill, and intercept.
Alright, John.
Ok. Yes, thanks, bro.
Yep, come in.
Don't need more. DK?
The
DK, go around the point, please. Don't need more on my rally. Okay. Good job, all. Huh? Just don't bully.
Oh no, they are coming to.
Tekka, run. Tekka.
Oh, DK. Okay, I come DK. I don't see you, bro. Call me.
He's fighting Anatolian wolf.
Okay. I go lost with you, bro.
Oh.
I come.
I'm coming in.
I come. What the
11.
fuck? You are so bad.
Fucking bitches.
Fuck DK. You are so bad. Really. Look. I go lost. Look. You see? Lancelot is really bad. I hate this. I need Pelagius on my troops.
Hey, Dekka, put me as the defender. Dekka, put me Desert Elder for the captain.
Where? No,
Desert
I
Elder,
can
Desert
change. I
Elder.
can change. Just tell me where.
Change me.
Where?
Desert Elder. Ping, blue ping.
Blue ping. Okay, I change.
Oh my god.
Who can take? Who? Yings, it's you. It's okay.
I'm coming, hold on. Just recalling my damn troop.
Okay.
30 seconds
Okay,
away.
guys. My rally. Okay. Guys. Lizzie. Follow rally.
Yep.
Yes, it's okay. Thanks. Really thanks. AGLTC. Pareil, tu follow le rallye s'il te plaît. Tu vas venir avec moi, on va taper. Oh, it's hard.
Noodles, put your 1 troop into Desert
Yes.
Elder. They are attacking already.
Yes, Caillou Slave. Okay, Titanic.
I
Please.
give you free troop.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay.
Shit.
Good
Okay,
job,
one
guys,
die.
for the death. Good job. Really.
Where the hell is my Chow?
On your ass, bro. On your ass.
Fuck.
Okay.
Why am I Chow in the
Follow the
line?
rally, please.
I
Okay.
go
Running away from me.
Yes, it's one. Just take points for your reward, guys, if you want. Just don't troll bad, but you can take points for your reward. Good job, all.
Come, bitch. Come.
Blue
bitch.
team is the best. Just Bertio is
run.
better than you, but Bert a 800k T4, so
Where's my
you
sock?
can't win this.
My socks.
Fuck.
Ok, Caillou, Slave, I come. Continue. Caillou. Slave. Titanic. No? Ok. You go back. Ok, you go back. Ok. Ok, tous sont. Ok. 2000 on descent. 3000.
Ying, I'm with you.
It's
You wanna
one.
take pink, dude.
Don't attack solo. Ok. Titanic. Ok, you lost.
Oh fuck. I didn't even see it.
It's okay. Intercept, please. Intercept.
Devils, come in to
Yes,
reinforce the altar.
go. Intercept, please. It's one. You are one. It's okay. Good job.
Yes. That's the way.
Oh, Julius.
Ching, ching, chong, chong.
The damage is
Captain.
amazing. Yes, blue ping. Where is? Oh, blue ping. Okay, I see. Okay, give you. Ooh, noodle? Okay, noodle.
What?
No,
I'm in your rally.
I can't change, bro.
No, me. Ying.
Mais Ying, okay.
Change me.
Yes, okay. It's okay. Done.
Okay.
What? Okay, go def on the top.
I want to kill that Jackie baby though. The one that on top. Like, yo.
Bro, you want rally this?
I won't kill him.
Yes, so go rally this. Jackie baby, ok. On défend maintenant, just def, and it's free win. So good job.
Yo, can you attack cities?
Yes, I go rally this. Just wait.
I go attack cities, fuck this
Okay,
shit.
go attack. Okay, I wait. Just I need one troops on all for death, please. Really. I need one on all. 2 minutes for refill, please. And just wait, I come on your rally.
I can send you to my third one. Just ride it out. I'll come.
Fuck up
Okay.
cities.
Oh, I'm coming!
Check this. Check cities.
Who have rally? Who rally, please.
Oh!
Guys,
Yo, I fucked them all up.
who rally Jackie baby? Who? Okay, Caillou Slave attack alone.
AG back,
Someone
AG back.
slow down. Someone slow him down. Slow the minimum. Yes.
AG back.
Yo, what the fuck? You can't attack city. I just burned one guy.
Yes,
Yeah.
I go see.
AG back to Shrine of Life.
It's okay. You can leave all death on guys and take just point. Hein. Don't care about. It's free win. You have one. Vous pouvez quitter les défenses si vous voulez faire un peu de points. Attaquer tout et n'importe quoi, on s'en bat les cacahuètes. Voilà. Juste pour faire des points un peu solo pour vous ayez des rewards un peu meilleurs que ce que vous pouvez avoir. Voilà. Amusez-vous bien.
Oh, he TP!
Yes. Good job, all.
No.
Really. Follow. Look, my Julius. Go on the... Go. Yings, follow my Julius, bro. Look, just see. I go kill all.
Okay.
Run!
Look. Yes. Follow Amne. Return. AG, Yings, return. Yeah.
Oh.
Go return. Good job. Focus KO. And Scipion before. After. Okay. Scipio. If possible. Scipio.
Yeah.
Amenez, fais attention à tes troupes, faut que tu les refasses attaquer. Ouais, voilà. Ok. Go attack Jackie Baby City. All. Just for fun. Okay. But it's lost. But... Okay, good job. Mission down.
Guys, focus one. Yes, nice.
Yes. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Ching chong.
Bien joué à vous les gens.
Go masturbation.
Hey Bertio, the best.
Nice. He's still shitting in the bedroom.
Hey. Champion of Egypt.
Champion of the bathroom.
Bon, j'ai pas regardé le chat, du coup je vous remercie quand même d'avoir regardé. Bonne soirée à tous, au revoir.